I'll be talking about homework 3, which is building a 256 bin histogram count for an image. So the image I'll be using is a picture of this car right here. And we'll get to the code. So in the code, first we'll go over the get his count code. So this code is actually a function. As you can see, it says function create his counts, get his counts, image, img, bin, bin. It says create counters for each bin using zeros. As you can see, that's what this right here does. And the calculation of 256 for bin width is this. And you got to create a loop for each bin, which is the for loop for bidx equals 1 in bin, and this is a calculation for the lower bound, and this is the calculation for the upper bound, ub equals 1b plus bin width minus 1. And this is the count for the number of pixels. As you can see, it says his count bidx equals sum 1b img, and this is where it will all take place. So this is where we place the image name, Bugatti.jpg. As you can see, it says imc equal imread, img equal rgb2 gray imc, and then after that it will show the image or show the bar graph imshow. So first you got to create a loop called getHisCount function, which we did, which is this right here, with different bin numbers for obtaining the in bin histogram count. So img is where n equal to k. K is a loop variable from 1 to 8. N equals 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 256. And D, this is the plot of the in-bin histogram with bar function in figure window K using the obtain in-bin histogram count. And this is a for loop that initializes a loop that iterates from 1 to 8. So in the for loop, you have K equals 1, 8. And in this for loop, you call the get his count function, and this takes an RGB image and number, which is this, his counts equal get his count img equal to k, and return the his count and create a bar chart of the his counts and display it. So what this does, like I said, is creates the bar chart, which I will show you now, and this is going to be using that image that I showed earlier as an input. This part right here. So let's run it. And as you can see, it displays the bar chart from 0 to 256 for the amount of his counts in this image. Thank you.